Are you a father representing yourself in a children's case? Are you trying to convince the court that you should have contact with your child or even shared care? If you are, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Jason the Apple Watsit, also known as the Yak Apple Watsit, leading the fight for men in family court with the Alienated Dads Network and Modern Family Law Help for You group. And I thought it would be really useful to create a video for all the dads out there looking to get contact with their children or, perhaps, secure shared care. I see fathers all the time in the courtroom who have the best intentions, but the way they present their arguments often lets them down. So, here are some useful tips that are really going to help you win your case. First tip, make sure that you are actively involved in your children's education. Even if your children are at nursery, what you want to demonstrate to the court is that you're fully engaged. Be involved with the teachers or nursery staff. You can demonstrate this commitment by keeping records of emails you've sent to the nursery or school, along with the responses you receive. While you may not be the main carer, consistently reaching out for updates and being on the school's list for newsletters showcases that you're informed and involved in your child's day-to-day life. Second tip, be fully aware of your children's medical information. Know who their doctor and dentist are. And if your children are on any medication, understand what it is and how often they take it. When parents separate, the children often stay with the mother, so it becomes easy for fathers to lose track of this important information. By being informed, you instill confidence in the court that when your children are in your care, you are aware of their medical needs. Tip number 3, be aware of who your children's friends are. This point may seem small, but it's important, especially if your children are in primary or junior school. Show the court that when your children are with you, you're capable of arranging play dates and that you know the parents of your children's friends. This demonstrates your active involvement in the social side of your children's lives, which is crucial after separation. Tip 4. If you've left the family home, ensure that your new accommodation is suitable for your children. This means having basic safety measures in place, like smoke alarms and adequate security features. Ideally, your children should have their own bedroom and a comfortable space to do homework. You want to show the court that even though they may feel safe and secure in the family home, your new place also meets these essential needs. Consider attaching photographs of your accommodation to your statement to provide visual evidence of its suitability. Fifth tip, prepare a sensible eating plan for your children. I often hear objections regarding a father's awareness of children's dietary requirements, with claims that fathers provide unhealthy food. To counteract this, outline what nutritious meals you plan to serve when they're with you. Including a meal plan in your statement shows the court you're committed to maintaining healthy eating habits. And here's a bonus tip. When asking the court to make a child arrangements order, remember that the court's primary concern is the best interest of the child. Download the welfare checklist from the government website. This checklist outlines the factors the court considers when deciding on child arrangements. Keep it with you during your court appearance to ensure your arguments align with the court's expectations. That's it. My tips for all you dads out there representing yourselves and trying to get contact with your children. If you're a dad who's on a similar journey and you have additional tips to share with others, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to read them. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.